So we're going to start by marinating the chicken. Now I'm using boneless chicken, which I've cut up into large slices, and I've also slit them with a very sharp knife. Here I have the juice of one large lime or lemon. I'm going to add this juice to this chicken. Now you can use special tandoori pieces also, they are available. And I'm also going to add some salt to taste, mix everything well together, and we're going to let this sit aside for about 20 minutes. Now after 20 minutes, we're going to add the marinade. So first I'm going to be adding some ginger garlic paste, about 2 tablespoons, that is 1 inch of ginger and about 7 large cloves of garlic. I've just roughly coarsely chopped them up. Then I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of tandoori masala, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, as well as I'm going to add about 3/4 cup of hung curd. Now, if you wait till the end of the recipe of the video, you will see how to prepare this hung curd. I'm going to mix all of this together and marinate it for at least 2 hours. Now, after 2 hours, I am going to just heat up a grill pan like this with some butter, and I'm going to put the pieces, grill them well on both sides till the chicken is nice and cooked. You can brush it with some butter. And there it is, it's all ready. Just serve it with some lovely onion rings and a big squeeze of lemon. So I hope you like today's recipe and stick around to see how to make the hung curd as well as for some kitchen hacks. Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe. I hope you give it a try. Do let me know in the comments box below how you like today's recipe. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to Akshata's recipes if you haven't already. Thank you so much for visiting my channel and watching my recipes. I'll catch you in the next video. This is